So you're looking for some tax help and you see a commercial from a tax relief or a tax resolution company. I'm gonna give you the reasons why you should steer clear and why these companies absolutely hate me. First and foremost, the owners of these companies are business guys that are in it for profit. 100% profit at all costs. Most of them do not come from a licensing point of view, and they have grown their big business out so they could have money to advertise so they could get more business. Next on up, when you do inquire, you never speak to a licensed tax professional. Very rare when you do. So who do they come on board? Is their highest paid employee from these firms. These employees get paid way more than their tax attorneys, CPAs, or enrolled agents on staff, the actual licensed professionals. Is this surprising? I mean, if on average, if their tax professionals are getting paid somewhere between $65,000 to $95,000 a year, some of these sales folks are earning in excess of $150,000 to over $200,000 or more per year. Here's the reasons why. You're not there for the sake of providing a great service or fixing your tax problems. These people are employed to make a profit, including the commissioned salesperson that's on the phone with you. Sometimes they do follow strict, although it's not word for word. It is enough to make you believe that they're on your side and make you feel good about the situation that you're in. Even if you're in real deep shit of the IRS and what you need is a tax professional to let you know what you need to hear, not what you want to hear. And the reason is that a lot of times they charge a very low upfront fee, somewhere between the $300 range to the $500 range to do an investigation of your account, some of which you could easily gather and present to that salesperson. But once again, that low fee to come on in is something for them to build value and build trust with you, almost to the point that they're gonna say, you know what, we're gonna help you out. But once you do sign up, in about 1 or 2 weeks, they come back later with their findings. Their findings, you authorize them on IRS Form 8821, and what they have is a person that does nothing but the outbound calls. That's probably what they do, and that's all they do, and they present it back to the salesperson. And when you have that follow-up appointment after what's known as a phase 1, or after the investigations is complete, they come up with a fee structure that's unreasonably high. The reason why it's unreasonable is the fact that in there is the salesperson's commission and the profit for the company. Notice, not even presenting you the right solution in place. Sometimes they're not even focused on the solution amount. They're just focused on the amount you do owe. There are many people that actually have gone through the first phase with many of these companies, and afterwards, when they get sticker shock by the amount they want to bill, they contact me with their findings, and I review their case. They have all the information that I do need to provide reasonable services as a qualified tax professional. The reason that makes me qualified is number one, that I am an enrolled agent. I am the one on power of attorney on behalf of my clients. I also get to know my clients through a free case review. Typically, you inquire. So for example, if you want a free case review, go ahead and comment IRS tax help. And whenever we do have it, you can normally get an email before the appointment where you are able to write back, maybe fill out an organizer, maybe provide facts, and I kind of get you to know your situation a little bit before the actual appointment. So at the appointment time, I normally ask clarifying questions. And I feel strongly about your case, about the proposed solutions, or what could be expected. And the best part about it is when I get to know somebody's exact situation, there are no surprises down the road. Versus these expensive tax relief companies, sometimes you never even speak to the actual power of attorney on your case. Now, while they do employ attorneys, CPAs, and enrolled agents, a lot of them are pretty brand new, where sometimes the clients know more than the case workers and even more than the tax professionals. My name is Sergio Melendez. I've been in the industry since 2005, and as a power of attorney, as an enrolled agent, Juris Doctorate, I have resolved hundreds of millions of dollars on behalf of my clients with the IRS back taxes. And if you need help, comment IRS tax settlement. My team will reach out and we'll coordinate a free one-on-one case review directly with you.